Welcome to the Lowell floor plan, located in Abberly Green apartment homes by HHHunt. This home offers you open concept living, not one but two spacious bedrooms, and all the comforts of luxurious living, such as ADT smart home technology and in-home washers and dryers. Let's explore all the Lowell has to offer. The inviting kitchen has ample cabinet and counter space, and the breakfast bar overlooks your living space. This feature is great for quick meals or overflow company at a dinner party. The dining area gives you a formal space for gathering, and the net nook can be used for an office or dry bar. Your living room blends indoor and outdoor living as the large glass door not only lets in tons of natural lighting, but opens to your personal outdoor space. Your owner's suite offers plenty of space, a large walk-in closet, and a lavish ensuite. Across the home, you will find a full hall bathroom and a large second bedroom with a walk-in closet. This home also offers unique storage spaces. The Lowell is just one of many pet-friendly floor plans at Abberly Green in Mooresville, North Carolina. Schedule your visit and explore all we have to offer at liveabberlygreen.com. Abberly Green Apartment Homes by HHHunt is a part of HHHunt. To learn more, visit HHHunt.com.